Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Telegram is updated and your device has location and network permissions. That prevents regional filtering. Once updated, clear Telegram cache and force close the app to remove stale indexes and memory locks. Sign out of your account and sign back in to trigger a full reindex on Telegram servers. These steps kick off the repair process immediately. They re-establish permissions and force the app to request fresh search data rather than using old local results. Next, make Telegram rebuild its search index. Enable background app refresh and open the app while on a reliable connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data and back to force new server handshakes. If simple toggles fail, create a temporary channel or group and post a message. That action prompts Telegram to reevaluate your account and search index on the server. Make sure to keep the app open for a few minutes to let synchronization finish rather than closing it immediately. To finish, uninstall and reinstall Telegram to remove any lingering corrupted local data. Upon reinstall, sign in and allow full sync. Verify Telegram server status and regional limits if search still fails, because some blocks are server-side. If problems persist, sign into your account on a different device to determine whether the issue is device-specific or account-related. If the second device shows correct search results, the original device likely has residual data or OS-level permission blocks that must be cleared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.